Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Grand Island. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Featuring an indoor pool and jacuzzi, this Grand Island Hotel is just 2.7 miles from the hands-on Stuhr Living History Museum. The rooms are equipped with a cable TV and free Wi-Fi. The Hampton Inn Grand Island offers a daily breakfast with hot items and guests can enjoy free access to the on-site fitness room. A business center and meeting rooms are available on-site. All rooms at the Grand Island Hampton Inn include a microwave, refrigerator and coffee maker. Each room is furnished with a seating area and large work desk and free bathroom amenities are provided. This hotel is a 4-minute drive from Qwest Conestoga Mall and Indianhead Golf Course is a 9-minute drive away. Island Oasis Water Park is 4.3 miles away and Central Nebraska Regional Airport is 6.7 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.